There is this unique relationship that exists between complementary angles. Okay, so in this video, we are going to focus on how to establish those relationships using right angle triangle. But the first thing is, what are complementary angles? Complementary angles are angles that sum up to give 90 degrees. So two or more angles, okay, when added and the result of the addition is 90 degrees, we call those angles complementary angles. So suppose we are now giving what now? Our right angle triangle ABC. So we have right angle triangle ABC, okay? So this is a right angle triangle A, B, and C with side small b facing this, small c facing this, small a facing this, and equally angle what now? Angle theta. If this one is theta, this is 90. Obviously, this last one will be equals to 90 minus theta. Okay, so before we establish those what now, those relationships, let us take our mind back to our trigonometry issues, which are sine. Okay, sine is defined as opposite all over hypotenuse. Cosine is defined as adjacent all over hypotenuse. And tangent is defined as opposite all over adjacent. All these ratios are written as sin, cos, and tan. Equally, they are reciprocal, meaning 1 all over sine, okay, will give us what now? Cosecant, which is written as what now? Cosec, abbreviated as cosec. 1 all over cos is what we call secant, which is abbreviated as what now? Sec. And 1 all over tan is what is called cotangent, which is abbreviated as what now? As cos. So let's go back to this. Now, what is now our sin theta? We now want to what now? Establish those what now? Those relationships. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to, we know we say sine is what now? Opposite over hypotenuse. Theta, this is the angle. Where is the opposite to this angle? C. All over. Where is the hypotenuse to this angle? That is what now? That is B. So our sin theta equals to C all over B. Let's go for sin 90 minus theta. Okay? What is sin 90 minus theta? Which angle are we talking about here? This angle. Sine is still opposite over what now? Hypotenuse. But in this case, we are discussing this angle. What will be the opposite of this angle? That would be what now? That would be A all over. What is the hypotenuse of this angle? That is what now? That is B. Let's go for cos theta. Cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. So to this angle, theta, where is the adjacent? A is adjacent, so I'll write what now? A all over. Where is the hypotenuse? Is still having what now? B as its own hypotenuse. Then what is now cos 90 minus theta? Cos of this angle, the opposite of this angle. Cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse of this angle is B. The adjacent is C. So our cos 90 minus theta will be equals to what now? C all over B. So cos 90 minus theta is C all over B. So let's go to what now? Tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is what now? Tan is opposite all over adjacent. To this angle theta, where is the opposite? C is the opposite. Where is adjacent? A is adjacent. Okay? Let's now go to what now? Tan 90 minus theta. What would tan 90 minus theta give us? This angle. Tan is still opposite over adjacent. So to this angle, where is the opposite? A is the opposite all over. Where is the adjacent? C is the adjacent. Now, class, if we check 1 over tan, we have cos. What will now be 1 over tan 90 minus theta? This will be equals to cos 90 minus what now? Minus theta. And 1 over what now? 1 over tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what now? A all over what? All over C. So it means cos 90 minus theta will give us what now? C all over. If I want to get cut of this, I'll just bring this C up and A down. So it means our what? 1 all over tan 90 minus theta, which is equals to cot 90 minus theta will give us C all over A. So our cot 90 minus theta here, okay, will give us what now? C all over A. Now, let us now establish this what now? This relationship. But before we do that, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so let's continue. All right. So if you look at this thing very well, you see that sin theta C all over B is equals to what now? Cos 90 minus theta, which is C over B. So we establish the first one, first relationship. Sin of something, which is theta, must give us cos of 90 minus what now? Theta. What about the second one? If we check sin cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. So it means our cos theta, okay, is equals to what now? Sin 90 minus theta. Equally, our tan theta is equal to cot 90. Look at this, C over A, C over A. So it means our tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So this is the established what now? Established what? Unique relationship, okay, that exists between two complementary angles. So let us use this relationship to solve what now? To solve questions. So let's assume I ask to solve. We have to solve cos of x equals sin of x, meaning find the value of x. Number 2, cos of x equals sin x plus 22. And third one, sin of 2x equals cos of 3x. So let's use this relationship to solve those questions. So let me wipe this place off. Let me wipe this place off. So the first one, cos x equals what? Sin x. So what is the idea behind this? It is either we change this one to sine so that we can have sine here and sine here, or we convert this one to cos so we can have cos here and cos on this side. Let us just solve it. So I want to change this one to what now? To sine. But we know that what now? Cos of something must give us sine of 90 minus that thing. Cos of theta equals sine 90 minus theta. So it implies cos x will give us sine 90 minus x. And sine 90 minus x equals to what now? Sine x. So what happened? This sine will cancel out this sine. We now have 90 minus x is equals to what now? X. So x will go to that side. We have 90 equals to x plus x. So 90 is equals to what now? 2x. We divide both sides by what? By 2. 90 over 2 will give us what now? 2x over what? Over 2. 2 will cancel out 2. Our x will be equals to 45 what now? And when you check, if I put 45 here and I put 45 here, 45 plus 45 will give us what now? 90 degrees. So it implies they are complementary angles. Let's solve the second one here. Second question. Second question says what now? Cos of x is equals to sin x plus 22. So we have cos x equals to what? Sin x plus 22. Plus, I want to change this one to cos. Although I can equally change it to sine. Okay, but I want to use this one to establish more what now? More facts. Pay attention to this. So I'm still having cos x here. I want to change this one to cos. It will now be cos of 90 minus that thing. That's very careful here. That's what now? 90 minus what? X plus 22 in bracket. So we have cos of x is equals to cos of 90 minus x minus what now? 22. Okay? So this cos, we cancel out this cos. We have x equals to what? 90 minus x minus 20 what? X will come here. We have x plus x equals to what now? 90 minus what? Minus 22. So 2x is equals to what? This will be what now? 8 and what? And 68. So ordinary x will be equals to what? 68 divided by what? By 2. So our x will be equals to 68 divided by what now? By 2, which will give us what now? 34 degrees. So our x in this case is 34. Let us confirm. Let's confirm. Our cos x is equals to sin x plus 22. And we said our S is what now? 34. So let us put 34 here. 34 equals to 34 plus 20, 22. This is 34 equals, that is because 34 equals to sine, this is 6. And this is what now? 5. When you add 56 to 34, you must add what now? That is how to confirm if the answer is correct. When you have the two angles, when you add them together, they must give you what now? 90. 56 plus 34 give us what now? 90 degrees. So let's solve the last one, which is sine 2x equals to cos 3x. The same principle. The same principle. Sine 2x. I hope you are getting this class. You can pause the video and check one or two things here. But before that, please make sure to subscribe. Click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so we have this sine 2x. Sine 2x equals to cos 3x. So let me change this one to what? To sine. I want to change this one. I can change any one, but I want to change this one to what now? To sine. Cos of something is sine 90 minus that thing. So what's that in here? 3x. So it means this one will be sine 90 minus 3x. Okay? Equals to what now? Sine what now? Sine 2x. Sine will cancel out sine here. We have 2x equals to what now? 90 minus 3x. This one will come here. 2x plus 3x is equals to 90. This is 5x. 5x equals to what now? 90. So our x will be equals to what? 90 all over what now? 5. And this will give us what now? 18 degrees. We can actually use that one to confirm. 18 times 2 here. 18 plus 18 will give us what now? 36. Okay. Then this one must give us 50 what now? 54. It will give us 54. That is 18 times what now? 18 times 3. So we have here what? This is what now? This is 4. This is 2. 54. So 54 plus 36 must give us what now? 90. So which implies this one too is very, very what now? Very correct. Then what are supplementary angles, class? Supplementary angles are angles that sum up to give 180, and they are always on a straight line. Okay? Complementary sum up to give 90. Supplementary sum up to give what now? 180 degrees. Let us just take one example under supplementary angle. Suppose we are given a straight line like this. Okay? We are given a straight line like this. We have this and this. Angle here is given as 2x degrees. The angle here is given as 2x minus 10 degrees. Okay? The angle here is given as 4x. Let us use x. X plus what now? 40. All in degrees. We now have to find x. Since this is a straight line, okay? Straight line, when we add all these angles together, we must have what now? 180 because they are supplementary. Supplementary angles are always formed on a straight line. So when we add all those angles, it must give us what now? 180 degrees. So it means our 2x here plus 2x minus 10 plus x plus 40 must give us what now? 180 degrees. 2x plus 2x, that is 4x. 4x plus x will give us what now? 5x. Minus 10 plus 40 is plus 30. Is equals to what now? 180 degrees. So we correct items. 5x will give us 180 minus 30. So we have 5x is equals to 150. Okay? Our x will now be equals to 150 all over 5. And that will give us what now? 30. So our s is equals to 30 degrees. So what are the angles now? This will be 60. Okay? Because our s is 30. 2 times 30 will give us what? 60. S is 30. This will give us what now? 70. Now, 2 times 30 is 60. 60 minus 10 will give us what now? 50 degrees. And when you add all the angles, you must have 180. 70 plus 50, that is 120. 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. You can watch this video, okay, that also gives what now? In-depth what now? Analysis on question under supplementary and complementary angle.